Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an animated story on OpenArt.ai. So here in character block, select create. Then you're going to select the characters that they have. You'll need about 1,000 credits. I only have 4, so I can't really show it to you guys. For instance, I want to use the pink. Why does that penguin have the same name as me? Instead of vlog, maybe it's like a video of Nina. Okay, it's very weird to say my own name. Make running through a field of tulips. Select your aspect ratio, etc., and just create story. And you're just going to create as much as prompts for like different cutscenes. For instance, it's like running through a field of tulips, and then it's like Nina meets, still weird, Nina meets like a lion in the middle of the field. They fight, they battle. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but just use your imagination to basically create prompts and just create your own story. But as you can see, oh no, I can't. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.